1, 2, 3, 4. The system that we're living in requires us to consume so much stuff we think we might need to mine the moon, and when we consume we make lots of dirty waste. The problem comes in hiding it all over the place. The Southwest Devon Waste Development Partnership decided it would be a good idea to burn all this shit, a specialised plant for making energy from waste, as if it were that easy to incinerate without a trace. They asked for a quote from 2 big contractors, decided to give the job, but weighting certain factors. Viridor, New England quarry on the edge of Dartmoor, or MVV, Umlaut at Devonport Dockyard. In the end it seems that Viridor picked the short straw, and MVV Umlaut's planning targets on course. Construction commences 2012 next year. In 2014 we'll have an incinerator here. The proposed capacity is 245,000 tonnes, that's over 40,000 elephants or 4 million nuns. We weren't so sure, so second opinions we sought. We identified the stakeholders and asked them what they thought. Needless to say, the contractor thought it sounded grand. Plymouth City Council thought a good use of old land, but some local residents were not so sure about having an incinerator built on their back door. There's still some concern about pollution from toxins and deadly particulates we call dioxins. A number of alternatives to landfill were considered, but in the end the contract went to the highest bidder. We can't real blame them, so don't feel bitter, cause who wants to deal with everybody else's litter? We're all part of the problem, can we be part of the solution? Here's a little kid who's got to deal with the pollution. Now here's a little pie chart, what can you see? Figure taken from Plymouth's waste management strategy. Glass and plastic and paper and card can all be separated and recycled, it's not hard. Textiles, metals and electricals too, these are all items we can recycle, and all the materials of an organic persuasion can be broken down to compost with this simple equation. Now waste is just a fraction of what we had before, only 13% of what we leave outside the back door. Prevention's better than cure, that's the aim of this song. This is taken from Plymouth Council and they're not wrong. Now the only way to get this whole thing to go away is to think about the waste that we produce every day.